Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door. No calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio description. Welcome to this detailed tutorial on replacing the control panel and bowl of your Thermomix TM31. This process requires some specific tools and a bit of patience, but with our guidance, you'll be able to do it yourself. Let's get started. Tools needed: 1 Phillips screwdriver, 2 flathead screwdriver, 3 Torx screwdriver T10, 4 soft cloth for cleaning, 5 isopropyl alcohol for sanitizing. Step 1. Preparation. Before you begin, ensure your Thermomix is unplugged. This is crucial for your safety. Gather all your tools and find a clean, well-lit workspace. If you're unsure about doing this yourself, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. Step 2. Removing the bowl. Start by twisting the bowl counterclockwise to detach it from the base. If it's stuck, gently wiggle it while applying a bit of force. Once removed, set it aside. Take a moment to clean the area with a soft cloth and some isopropyl alcohol to ensure there's no residue. Step 3. Accessing the control panel. Next, you'll need to remove the screws securing the control panel. Use your Phillips screwdriver to take out the screws located at the back of the unit. Keep these screws in a safe place, as you will need them later. If you don't have the right tools, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, making it easy to get the help you need. Step 4. Detaching the control panel. Once the screws are removed, gently pull the control panel away from the body of the Thermomix. Be cautious of any wires connected to the panel. If you encounter resistance, double-check for any screws you may have missed. This is a good time to inspect the internal components for any dust or debris. A clean machine operates better. Step 5. Installing the new control panel. Take your new control panel and align it with the connectors inside the Thermomix. Carefully plug in the wires, ensuring they are secure. Once connected, position the control panel back into place. If you need assistance, remember we provide a quote before repair, so you know what to expect. Step 6. Reattaching the bowl. With the control panel securely in place, it's time to reattach the bowl. Align it with the base and twist it clockwise until it locks into position. Make sure it's secure before proceeding. Step 7. Testing the Thermomix. Plug in your Thermomix and turn it on. Check that the control panel responds correctly and that the bowl is functioning as expected. If everything is working well, congratulations! You've successfully replaced the control panel and bowl. Final thoughts. If you encounter any issues during this process, don't hesitate to reach out for help. We offer no calls, no travel service, making it convenient for you to get your Thermomix serviced. Thank you for following along, and enjoy your perfectly functioning Thermomix TM31. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door. No calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio description.